Hi viewers, I am here again to show you how you can actually capture traffic on an interface using Wireshark, right? So that is why it's good to visit a secure site, because if you visit an insecure site and there is someone in the middle that is intercepting the traffic can actually be captured, and then your user login details can be revealed. So what is Wireshark? Wireshark is just like, it's a very good tool that we use to capture traffic and analyze it, all right? So in this case, I want to show you how we can actually do that. So if you need more of this, feel free to reach out to us as well. So you launch Wireshark from your Parrot OS or maybe your Kali Linux. You're simply typing Wireshark and then it will load this page. So you are supposed to find out what your interface is. So let's go to a terminal. Let me show you. So this is a terminal. So you can simply say IP space A. So I am using an interface called ENS33, which has this IP address. So I want to capture all the traffic passing through this interface right now. So I have launched my, so I have launched my Wireshark. This is my Wireshark. This is the interface here. So I'm going to start a Wireshark on the interface. So right now it's starting. So look at the Wireshark here. Now anything I do on my Google, so I want to visit an insecure website called Aconetics website, testphp.vulnerweb.com, and show you how we can actually capture the user login details using Wireshark. So right now I will go to my Wireshark. I'm trying to see how I can expand this for you to see, or let's even leave it here. Then I will come to my browser, and then I will type in testphp.vulnerweb.com, hit enter. Then you can see that the traffic is coming in here. All right, so I will try to log into the site. So you can see the traffic is coming in. These are the traffic. So I will log into the site, go to sign up. Now when I go to sign up, I will log in with the password given on the site, hit enter. So I've successfully logged on here. So now I am done with it. Let's go to Wireshark. So I'm going to expand Wireshark right now. So stop the traffic here, save the file. You can save it as test.php. All right. So it's gonna take up the file extension pickup ng. So maybe we save it to let's save it to desktop. All right. Now you can go to open, save. So we've saved this file to our desktop. So even without that, if we go to, now let's go and check out the post that we made. So the HTTP post that we made to the website, let's go and look out for it. So you can actually come here and type in HTTP and hit enter. So it will show you all the posts that you made to the site. So let's take a look at this. So if you look at this, this is the this is the user information here. So let's go to HTML form URL. So you notice that the login details are here. The username and the password are all here. So this is simply how you can use Wireshark to capture and analyze traffic. So if you want more of this, feel free to follow us, like, share, and also subscribe to our channels. We are available to assist you out Thank you for watching and see us in our next videos.